Leasing commercial property without a broker can save you some serious cash, but it's no walk in the park. You gotta know what you're doing. We are growthsense.com, your go-to website directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are tips for leasing commercial property without a broker or agent. Number 1. Get clear on lease types and what they mean for you. Commercial leases come in flavors like gross, modified gross, and triple net. Knowing which one you're signing helps you avoid surprise bills for stuff like maintenance or property taxes that could hit you later. Number 2. Use online platforms to scope out market rates. Sites like LoopNet and SquareFoot show what similar spots rent for in your area. This info gives you a leg up when negotiating, so you don't end up paying too much. Number 3. Highlight your business strengths to landlords. Landlords want tenants who look solid, think strong credit, or a plan to stick around long term. Showing this can get you better rent or perks like free months or tenant improvements. Number 4. Scrutinize lease clauses with a sharp eye. Watch out for rent hikes, assignment limits, and sneaky common area fees. Having a real estate attorney check the lease can save you from costly surprises. Number 5. Get a professional inspection before signing. Commercial inspections dig deeper than residential ones, checking HVAC, roofing, wiring, and structure. Spotting problems early means you can negotiate repairs or rent cuts. Number 6. Match lease term to your business needs. Short leases give flexibility but cost more monthly. Longer leases offer stability but can trap you if your business changes. Think about your growth plans and negotiate fixed renewals. Number 7. Save cash by negotiating fees and renewals. Cut down on maintenance fees, cap annual increases, and lock in fixed rent renewals to keep costs predictable and more money in your pocket. If you want to skip brokers but still land a solid commercial lease, these tips help you do it smart. For listings with all the details, after repair values, prices, photos, videos, and seller reviews, check out growthsense.com where you contact sellers directly and make deals yourself.